up around the state. Heavy wind gusts could leave you and your family in the dark.
News 8's Natasha Lubchenko is live outside of our station here in New Haven this morning, dealing with the elements. She has an update now on storm-related power outages across the state. Hi, Natasha.
Hey guys, good morning. We've been tracking these outages all morning and the numbers have certainly gone up. That is because this is very wet, heavy snow and it's really weighing down on power wires, branches as well. And the wind is contributing to maybe dead trees falling over. The winds are very strong, 40 miles an hour plus in certain parts of the state. So let's take a look at the outages we're seeing right now. Eversource over 12,500, as you can see there. That has certainly gone up. UI, we are getting very close to 3,000 outages there. Now, the biggest areas that Eversource is reporting outages, still the highest on our list is Lisbon. Over a quarter of that town without power right now. Canterbury second on that list, inching closer to 20% of the town, 450 customers without power. Burlington, also over 18% without power. Bethany, Eastford, Beacon Falls, Killingworth, all of those areas dealing with significant power outages. Now, I know we've been speaking with Eversource representatives this morning, and their advice has been, if you have a power outage, you most certainly should call them up and report it because there is so much going on this morning. They certainly will appreciate any help that you can offer to help them identify these trouble spots. Also, if you do see any downed trees, downed wires, you want to be careful. Keep the pets and the kids away from them. Do not drive, walk over them. You want to call 911 and report that to your local police station because we know that downed wires may be live wires and that can be dangerous. So we will continue to follow the latest conditions and report here on air and online WTNH.com. For now, live in New Haven, Natasha Lubchenko.